For this piece, I opened up my sketchbook and started with just a rough thumbnail sketch. I'm going to go ahead and just continue on through this and speed it up as we go along. Next, I'm determining where exactly my guide points should be on my finished piece. That way, I can just kind of rule them and move them on over. You'll see in just a sec. We're ready for the sketchbook, and what I'm going to do is measure all my guidelines from my original sketch, and then I'm going to translate them over to my big sketchbook so we can work a little bigger. And here I'm just measuring out where the capital letters should go. And then I'm going to do my skeletons for the letters. That way I can go back in and add thicknesses later. I'm going to go ahead and start adding my thicknesses here, just making sure that each one of my thicknesses on the letters are about the same as each other letter. That way it looks like it was done with a brush. And then for these letters, I'm going to have them be serif letters. Again, I'm going to just try and make them about the same thickness and add serifs to the end. Because I am definitely a dark drawer, I'm gonna go ahead and actually start erasing my lines and use what I can see left behind to start inking in my outlines. Now my outlines are done, I'm just gonna go ahead and start filling in my letters. Alrighty, we're just about wrapping up here. Just gonna go ahead and add some red just to give it a little bit of depth, and we'll be done. Thanks for joining me, and have a great rest of your day.
But it's like there's a gap that for the first couple years that you're making stuff, what you're making isn't so good. Okay, it's not that great. It's trying to be good. It has ambition to be good, but it's not quite that good. But your taste, the thing that got you into the game, your taste is still killer, and your taste is good enough that you can tell that what you're making is kind of a disappointment to you.
Is that the good scritch? Oh, yeah.